Bro, what are we playing at 1 a.m.?
Oh,
This piece of shit.
I'll ride around a diesel generator. Swear to God, please do not. No! No!
Oh my god.
What happened to the battery, bro?
I got two.
Well.
Shoot.
It's gonna blow up, bro. Holy.
I got you, dude. I'll save you.
Wait, EJ, how about I got you? How about that, huh?
I'll save you, bro. I'll save you.
Do not bring the 100K car. It's too valuable.
EJ!
No! Stop! 102? Oh, no.
Oh, shit. Fine. Draw him.
No, we're not.
You lost it.
Hey, your fault, buddy.
Hey, pick up the pace, you
Oh, yeah.
No!
Yo, what battery?
Oh no! Oh, terrible! It's broken!
No way!
One more.
Oh, it's f***ing move! Oh no!
Loudly crying.
Oh my!
Tripped, and we're in the lava.
Oh.
We're in the lava track. Oh shit!
I don't know.
Let me get that one. Oh!
Holy shit. No!
No!
What happened? Step out the vehicle, Kev.
That's
Yo!
Get rid of that shit! Move it!
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Yo, calm
Yo, I
down,
think
calm
he's
down,
dead.
calm down.
I think
Calm
he's
down.
dead. Yo. Oh shit!
You suck.
I got you. I got you.
Let's go, go, move it! Little more.
Oh!
Kev.
What's?
Oh,
Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck?
Get him out of here! Oh my god!
Oh, what the fuck?
Side effects may include, but not limited to, nausea, vomiting, water weight gain, lower back pain, anomia, receding hairline, loss of bladder control, excessive body odor, a heart attack, anxiety, sleepiness, drowsiness, tooth decay, hallucination, psychosis, coma, and death. Okay.
All right. All right.
Kev.
Oh my god.
It shakes the car.
Oh.
It shakes your whole body.